Hello everybody, this is AC from ForexPreparation.com. Today is Tuesday, the 19th of February 2008, and we will be looking at the the US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. Okay, what I said yesterday was we were pretty much at this level of 1.940 around this area, and I suggested that we might see more climbs to this level right here of around 1.1000 and a little bit above it, and actually we closed above this resistance area, which was set by this low here, but as we see, we have some range trading around this resistance area, and right now we are under the level of 1.130, which is the level of the resistance area. And what I suggested yesterday was that if we see a climb up to the level of 1.1000, the psychological barrier, we might see more declines to the downside, or this might turn out into this downsloping channel. If we zoom out this part, we can see that this might be a part, we right now might be a part of this declining channel. But as a whole, what we can say about the US dollar Swiss franc is that for the last two trading weeks, we've been watching this range trading between those two boundaries, the upper boundary of 1.1106 and the lower boundary on 1.916, which are approximately 190 pips between the upper and lower boundaries of this trading channel. Okay, so what might happen today is we might see a little bit of selling pressure, or if you start selling the US dollar Swiss franc right now, our first targets could be set on this level right here, which is the level of 1.948, and then our next support level is this low value here, which was set on the 17th of actually on the 15th, Friday, on the 15th of February. This is 1.907, which are around 100 pips below where the price is trading at right now. Okay, so what else can we expect from this currency pair is that if we see a close above this level, the high value here of 1.1036, which was the highest points for the day. If we see a close above this value, we might expect to see more climbs to the upside, or in other words, this might turn out to be a continuation pattern, and we might see our currency pair pushing up, and our next resistance area, if we go to 8 hours time frame, should be set on this high value here, which is the level of 1.1081, which are 70 pips above the price, above where the price is trading at right now. Okay, if we go to 2 hours time frame, what we can see here, the picture is pretty much range trading for the, as I said, last two trading weeks. The relative strength indicator is trading on level 59, which is a bullish signal, but as we saw on the hourly chart, we might be a part of this downsloping channel, which we might have just touched the upper boundary of it. And on the hourly chart, where the relative strength indicator is trading on the level of 53, and it is starting to curve down On the daily chart, the relative strength indicator is trading on the level of 51, and this is pretty close to the support area. We might see a bounce from it to the upside, or we might see our relative strength indicator diving below it. When we go to the 8 hours time frame, we see that the relative strength indicator is trading on the level 54, and pretty much all of the time scales are the signals they give are very, not very, but they're bullish, since the relative strength indicator is on each of those time scales in the above 50 area. But what makes me believe that we might see more declines is that first of all we haven't broken this this first resistance area, and then this second resistance area, which were set by those low values here just below our previous peak. And since we don't have a close above those resistance area, we're still a little bearish. The mood on the market is a little bearish, and we might expect to see more declines to the downside, and our first primary price target is this level of 1.980, which is this little high point here on the chart. Okay, so if we go to the euro-dollar currency pair, we know that these pairs are negatively correlated. We might expect this pair to continue its slow climb up to the upside, and our upper boundary of this upsloping channel is set on the level of 1.4731, which are around 70 pips above the current price. And another thing is that the relative strength indicator has just started curving up on the hourly chart. If we go to an 8 hours chart, again we can see that the relative strength indicator is trading on the level of 58, which is a bullish signal. And on the daily chart we have relative strength indicator trading on the level of 51. So as a whole, the picture on the markets today, on the forex market, is not absolutely clear to me. But when we go to the US dollar Swiss franc, what might be one suggestion for trading this currency pair, to open a sell position on the level of actually where the price is at right now. This is the level of 1.1012, and place a stop loss order on the level of 1.1035. These are 22 pips, 23 pips above the current price. And then our primary price target is going to be this level of 1.980. Then the next one is going to be on the level of 1.940, and our strongest support level is going to be on the level of 1.910, 100 pips below the price, the current price. Thank you very much, and have a good day.